नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका अपने चैनल मनोज गुप्ता एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज हम क्लास 9th के हिस्ट्री एंड पॉलिटिकल साइंस में हिस्ट्री लेसन नंबर 3 इंडियाज इंटरनल चैलेंजेस इस लेसन का एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, अभी तक आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब और चैनल लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए। दोस्तों, आप लोग इस वीडियो को अच्छी तरीके से देख करके, अच्छी तरीके से सुन करके भी इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर अच्छी तरीके से बाहर कर सकते हैं। यह लेसन नंबर 3 इंडियाज इंटरनल चैलेंजेस, उसका एक्सरसाइज करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है? आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन डिटेल। फर्स्ट, which demands were put forward through the Anandpur Sahib resolution by the Akali Dal? The answer is first, the Akali Dal passed the Anandpur Sahib resolution in 1973. Second, the following demands were made in this resolution. First, Chandigarh should be made part of Punjab. Second, the Punjabi speaking parts in other states should be included in the state of Punjab. Third, recruitment of people from Punjab to the Indian Army should be increased. Fourth, more autonomy should be given to the state of Punjab. Now next. Second, what can we do to end communalism? The answer is we can do the following things to end communalism. First, we should mix with people of different religions. Second, we should accept the good ideas and practice of each other. Third, we should look at and understand our economy and social problems rationally. We should not mix these questions with religion. Fourth, we should search for the economic, political and historical reasons that are responsible for disturbing religious harmony. Now next. Third, when does regionalism become strong? The answer is regionalism becomes strong due to the following factors. First, regionalism thrives on regional imbalance in development. In the post-independence period, some states achieved more progress while some states remained backward. Second, the developed states have achieved progress in education and health. The states which have not developed in this manner remained backward in education and civic amenities. Third, the opportunities of development available to people in developed states are not possible for people in backward states. Fourth, the people in the backward areas feel that they are cheated and kept away from the benefits of development as the people in the developed region are unwilling to share the benefits. Fifth, the regional identity is aroused and people prepare themselves for political action. Now next question करते हैं. Second, write short notes on first, communalism. The answer is first, communalism is excessive love for one's own religion and hatred for the other religions and their followers. Second, excessive love for one's own religion assumed the form of fanaticism and the fanatics spread the message of hatred and violence. Third, communalism assumed the form of communal tension even on the small issues. Fourth, communal tension breaks out in the form of communal riots which destroy social harmony and mutual trust among the people. Now next. Second, regionalism. The answer is first, regionalism is excessive pride about one's region, its language and culture. Second, it means to regard the people of other regions, their language and culture are inferior. Third, imbalance in economic development is responsible for widening the gulf between the developed and less developed states. Fourth, it is threat to the unity of the nation. Now next question करते हैं. Third question में क्या दिया गया? Explain the following statements with reason. First, it became necessary to carry out the Operation Blue Star. The answer is first, the movement for independent Khalistan took roots in Punjab in 1980. Second, the armed followers of Sant Janal Singh Bhindrewale, the strong supporter of Khalistan, gathered outside the Golden Temple and started terrorist activities. Third, after the arrest of the Bhindrewale, the law and order situation worsened and president's rule was imposed on Punjab in 1983. Bhindrewale occupied Akal Takht and his followers captured the Golden Temple. Fourth, these activities disturbed the peace in Punjab and thus was a major challenge to Indian democracy. Therefore, it became necessary to carry out the Operation Blue Star. Now next. Second, we should fight communalism with all our strength. The answer is first, communalism emerges out of narrow religious pride and leads to communal riots. Second, hundreds of innocent people are killed and public property worth crores of rupees is damaged. Third, people are Strength with each other and mutual trust receive a setback due to the bitter memories of riots. Fourth, communalism is a serious threat to the unity of the country. Therefore, we should fight communalism with all our strength. Now next question करते हैं. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया गया? राइट द फुल फॉर्म्स. MNF मिजो नेशनल फ्रंट, NNC नागा नेशनल काउंसिल, PLGA पीपल्स लिबरेशन गुरिल्ला आर्मी. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हमारा यहाँ पे लेसन नंबर 3 का एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हुआ. दोस्तों, आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स पे जरूर लिख करके बताइए. इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी क्वेश्चन आंसर मिल सके, और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. नमस्कार दोस्तों.